So when you bought your house, did you spend 3 hours looking at everything?
Oh, yeah. I didn't do anything different than I did for anybody else's house. I mean, I treated it like a regular home inspection. I spent the same amount of time I did anywhere else. And I did a sewer scope like I did everywhere else. And, I found a lot of stuff like I do everywhere else. And it's a new construction home, too. It's brand new. And I still find a lot of stuff.
So I guess from your position, you get this report, and now you go to the seller, and you're like, hey, look, this is what's wrong with the come down on the price. Is it easier to negotiate that way? Do you have a...
So in new construction, you don't really negotiate that way. You take a home inspection report, and we used a realtor. My realtor took the report and just gave it to him and said, hey, here's the things that we found. Fix it. Make it right. On a resale, where you're buying a used home, then you would be able to negotiate based on that. You would take that report and say, it needs a new roof, or it needs, maybe, let's say the foundation is broken and needs to be reinforced. Those are pretty expensive. Or let's say on the sewer scope, you find a cracked and maybe root-filled sewer line. So that needs to get fixed. Sewer repairs can be $15,000, $20,000. They add up very quickly. And so you would definitely want to use that as a negotiating tool. Say, hey, you're going to have to come down on the price, or you're going to have to fix it before we buy it, or, whatever the case may be. But I don't get involved in the negotiations. That's not a home inspector's job.